The Mould King 1-ton-2225 V8 engine model kit offers an engaging building experience with over 855 pieces and detailed instructions. Designed as a realistic V8 engine, it features 8 cylinders arranged in a V shape, showcasing the intricate mechanics of an internal combustion engine. Once assembled, this model can be powered electrically, providing strong power and excellent acceleration performance, thanks to its motor and battery box. Crafted from high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, the pieces are durable and compatible with other major brands, ensuring a seamless building process. This model caters to both teenagers and adults, making it an ideal collectible for enthusiasts and a perfect gift for various occasions. Its compact dimensions, measuring approximately 235 millimeters in length, 165 millimeters in height, and 104 millimeters in width, make it suitable for display in any collection.